What's going on, guys? Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown of XRP, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And before I jump into this video, guys, you already know what you need to do. You need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also you can follow me on Telegram, guys. And on my Telegram I give all my up-to-date trade and analysis. For example, yesterday I gave a heads up about Binance Coin. It was looking bullish to me, guys. I could see more upside. I covered the technical and fundamental side of things and why I could see some more upside, guys. And I also covered this with Tron, also covered this with Litecoin, guys. So if you want to find out all my latest trade ideas and calls and my analysis, follow me on Telegram. The link is in the description. Right, guys, first of all, I'm going to jump into XRP because I know a lot of you guys that follow me love XRP as much as I do. And I just want to zoom out to the weekly time frame and kind of show you what's been going on, guys, since the absolute parabolic rise we had back in January 2018, guys. Oh my god, it seems like a long time ago when we saw XRP above $1, guys. So I just want to show you guys what's kind of happening, guys, here, and the structure of the market where it's currently at, guys, and why I think where the price is going, and about the price being suppressed as it is. So if I get the drawing tool out, guys, as you can see, guys, since the high in January 2018, guys, we've been making lower high after lower high after lower high, guys, and we've, on a macro time frame, we've failed to make some new higher highs. And why is it happening, guys? I mean, what's going on with XRP? I mean, a lot of people are starting to give up. I mean, price is back down at 30 cents, and it seems like the whole, for the past 7 to 8 months, price has just been stuck in that 30-cent range. So if I zoom into the daily, guys, you can see we've got this overhead trend line resistance, guys, here, like I've highlighted here. If I just remove this, you can see exactly what I mean. Let me just clear this up for you guys. So as you can see, we've had these trend line that we've not broken. I mean, this trend line has been going since April last year, guys. As you can see, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and you guys, obviously you guys know, like I've been showing you guys, for me to class a trend line as valid resistance or support, I'll expect at least 3 touches. And as you can see, guys, on the daily we have more than 3 touches. So this resistance trend line is pretty valid to me. I mean, it's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when finally we can break out of this accumulation zone. I mean, if you've not watched my previous video, I highlighted about the length of this accumulation zone, guys. It has been going now. If I get the date range, like I said, since we had this last significant high in September, currently we are in roughly about 307 days of accumulation zone, guys, and more recently we are sandwiched in between this whole region here, guys. I mean, we've got the bottom, which is roughly about between 38 cents and 28 cents there or so, and then we've got this high of 50 cents. I mean, look, since price in December, it has been very easy to trade. I mean, we get this sideways action, get a bit of a pump, then dump back again, we get this pump, and then we consolidate, and then we actually, look where we found support again, back on this 28 to 30 cents range, guys. And if you look at this descending triangle, I mean, we are coming, like, this can go up to end of the year, but we're still stuck sandwiched in this region. So it'd be very interesting to see how valid this trend line is. I mean, if we actually break out of this trend line, I mean, we could even retest back down at 80 cents, but at the moment we are being suppressed, And like I've said before, the suppression is coming from the people with that are the biggest holders of XRP, guys. And like I said, Ripple sell a lot of XRP to financial institutions, guys, and for them to make it more attractive and them to buy more, they obviously, the price is being suppressed so they can keep accumulating. But the guys, you've got to have a longer vision of it. If you believe in this investment like I do and a lot of other people do, guys, you would know this is not just a 1 to 6 month investment. I mean, if you believe in the potential of XRP, guys, you can see a year, 2 or 3 down the line what is actually going on and where price can actually be. I mean, in my opinion, this is how I'm doing it. As long as price is within this region, I am currently a buy, guys. Even under $1, I am a buy because I believe in the long-term vision of XRP and where price can eventually go. So at the moment, guys, like I said, we are still being suppressed in this region here, guys, and it looks like price is on the verge of another retest of 30 to 28 cents, guys, and it won't surprise me even if we actually dip to the 27 to 26 range, which was previous support all the way back almost a year ago, where this was previous support. So if we close and break under this grey area of support, it would not surprise me, guys, to see price actually touch that 27 to 26 region. And talking about Bitcoin, I mean, at the moment, Bitcoin dominance is still roughly about over 65%, guys. So the direction the market will take, it will depend wholly on BTC at the moment, unfortunately, until we get that decoupling of altcoins from BTC. But at the moment, the Don is still in charge, guys. So I just want to show you a bit of intraday price and what's been happening, guys. So we had this upsloping resistance here. Once it got broke, guys, this has been valid on so many occasions where we have a valid trend line, and then as soon as we get a break, price absolutely melts down. I mean, we melted down, we tried to recover, we found resistance on previous support, guys. I've mentioned this time and time again, guys. Previous support becomes new resistance once broken under. I mean, we found again support on previous resistance. Look at this. This was previous resistance and it has become new support. Look at this, guys. Once again, this was resistance. That area became new support, and then we climbed higher, and look where we found resistance once again. Previous support become new resistance, guys. This is a recurring theme in BTC, and it's basic TA at the moment, guys. I mean, at the moment we're following pretty much classical TA on the crypto market, specifically BTC. So in my opinion, if we have a close and if we have a break and a close under this trend line, it would not surprise me for price to find again previous support roundabout in the low 9,000s, guys. So at the moment we broke under, price is trying to go above, but as you can see, we're finding some kind of rejection. So by the end of the day, if we close the daily candle under this trend line, guys, it would not surprise me if we get an absolutely melt of a red candlestick, guys, and finds support back down where this was previous resistance and previous support once again, guys, and then we can reanalyze where the market is going. I mean, some people that I follow myself and on crypto Twitter and crypto Telegram, whatever you like to call it, and on YouTube, guys, a lot of people are calling for this region of 8,400, where this was an area that we've got a lot of price action, where we found a lot of resistance, where price struggled to, I mean, we had this fake out here if you like to do. I mean, it lasted for about a day or so, and then price went under, and then when we got that break above this region here, I mean, we absolutely skyrocketed to 13,800, just under 14,000. So this is a region that I'm currently looking at. I mean, if we find support here, then we can maybe have another attempt, but we could find resistance again on this trend line, and then price could melt all the way back down to 8,400 to even 8,000, and then we will evaluate from there to see if we're going to have another surge to the upside, or price is going to actually go down and test that almighty 6,000. We'll see how valid that is. And last but not least, Ethereum. Once again, guys, like I said, this is a recurring theme in Bitcoin TA and crypto TA at the moment. We had this upsloping trend line, valid to me. It had more than 3 touch points. We broke under, and look what happened, guys. As soon as we broke under, price found support on this trend line that has been going since pretty much February. This is the daily chart, guys. I mean, look how much support this trend line here, guys, and it was no surprise we found support here. But once again, look at this region here. This was previous support, and in fact it has flipped into new resistance. So just for an example, guys, if you was trading this, look, you see we found support on this trend line, and if you had a long trade from down here, guys, people ask me where would you take your profits. I would have taken profits at previous support turning into new resistance. I will take some profit off here and let the rest run, just in case we had another break and we could have found resistance again in this region. But at the moment, price has been rejected. The way it's looking now, we're going to have another retest of this trend line, see how valid it is. Again, if this trend line breaks, look at this, previous resistance, new support. So this would be another valid support back down at $160. So once again, guys, to get all my up-to-date trades, all my up-to-date ideas, all my up-to-date analysis, follow me on Telegram, guys. The link is in the description, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you've enjoyed it. If you've not liked it, please leave it in the comment section. I'm open to any feedback, and I'm always looking to improve on all my videos. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and